Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I'm Séverine and I am your French coach. What are you doing? Okay, it's a common question and it's very important that you know how to say it in French because we don't say it the same way depending on the context. As usual, you'll find the transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com. You do not need to sign up to get to the transcript. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Moi, je vais bien et aujourd'hui, on va apprendre comment dire What are you doing en français. If you're new here, this podcast is dedicated to beginners and travelers. So make sure to subscribe before you forget. And I want to thank you, all of you, for leaving comments and stars. It helps other listeners to find about the podcast. So, are you ready to speak French? In today's episode, we'll review the different ways to ask this question depending on the context. Remember, with French, there isn't any difference between what are you doing and what do you do. The only thing that is different is the context. Let's start with what are you doing in spoken French. Remember, when speaking French, to use the right context. Spoken French is used in informal situations with friends, families, or even at work if you know your coworkers. Let's start with formal or plural, the you all, ou the vous form. Vous faites quoi? Vous faites quoi? You notice that I have I pitch on quoi. Vous faites quoi? Vous faites quoi? Par exemple, vous faites quoi samedi soir? Vous faites quoi samedi soir? What are you doing on Saturday night? Tu fais quoi? Tu fais quoi is when you need to be informal and you speak to one person you know. Tu fais quoi? Tu fais quoi? Tu fais quoi demain? What are you doing tomorrow? Tu fais quoi demain? Demain is tomorrow. And I'm not sure I've mentioned this. If you go on a website, you'll find the Vault. It's free. It's where I've been starting to curate my episodes so you can find them by topics. And the workshop. The workshop is designed to help you learn the French you need when you travel to France or a French speaking country. Check it out. So, what are you doing in standard French? We talked about spoken French, standard French. Standard French is used in all contexts. As a beginner, you can stay on the safe side and stick with standard French if you're not sure when to use formal, informal, or standard. Standard is standard. We're going to start with qu'est-ce que. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Qu'est-ce que vous faites? It's when you need to say vous, you all, and you need to be formal. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Qu'est-ce que vous faites ce week-end? What are you doing this weekend? Qu'est-ce que vous faites ce week-end? What are you doing this weekend? Now, if you need to talk to one person you know, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Alors, of course, I say you know, but maybe it's someone your age, right? If you're, young, of course, the tu is more common. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais is what are you doing or what do you do? Or again, qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la vie? Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la vie? What do you do for a living? Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la vie? What do you do for a living? And of course, the last one is formal French. What are you doing in formal French? Whenever you need to elevate your French to be more sophisticated, academic, elegant, or polite, use formal French. Que faites-vous? Que faites-vous? Que faites-vous? Par exemple, que faites-vous plus tard? What are you doing later? Que faites-vous plus tard? What are you doing later? And if you need to talk to one person and you want to sound more sophisticated or elegant, que fais-tu? Que fais-tu? Que fais-tu ici? What are you doing here? Que fais-tu ici? What are you doing here? Alors, on va répéter ensemble. Let's repeat all together. And we're going to start from spoken, standard, formal. Vous faites quoi? Vous faites quoi? Tu fais quoi? Tu fais quoi? Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Que faites-vous? Que faites-vous? Que fais-tu? Que fais-tu? Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Here you go, it's the end of this episode. You did it. Now you know to ask, what are you doing? Or what do you do with confidence in different contexts? So as I mentioned, please, if you find this episode very helpful, leave some rating or share with your friends. It helps other listeners to find out about this episode. Make sure to check the website. Make sure to sign up for the workshop because you don't need a credit card or anything to access the first 4 lessons. And maybe nobody told you today, but I know you're terrific. Et bien sûr, si personne ne vous l'a dit aujourd'hui, moi, je sais que vous êtes formidable. Merci, à bientôt, au revoir.